Hello, guys. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we're going to learn how to change your workspace's business info. So, if this is something you need to do, here's how you can do it. Go to the Workspace drop down at the top. Then, click the Settings button next to the workspace you want to work on. And over here, you can edit your workspace name, edit your logo, edit your site URL prefix. And by the way, this is also where you can delete your workspace if you no longer need it. So go ahead and make all the changes you need to make here. Review your changes to make sure there will be no mistakes, then click Save to save your new settings. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.